Alright guys, so this is for map test 7. Let's pick a color we haven't used in a while. Let's go with green. Alright, so there's only 4 states this time. I'm going to outline them. Excuse me that I can't draw a straight line. Okay, so 4 states this time. So over here in the corner, we have Washington, not Washington, D.C. Washington State, and the capital is Olympia. Underneath here, we have Oregon, and the capital is Salem. Over here beside it, we have Idaho. And the capital is Boise. And then our last one is Montana. The capital is Helena. Just Helen with an A. So this is for map test number 7, which will be on 3/26. If you have any questions about that, please message me on Canvas.